Hi everyone! Welcome to my first vlog. Finally, we're gonna give vlogging a try. And let's see where this thing goes. Actually guys, please bear with me. Kasi I'm not really fond of talking in front of the camera. And I don't know what to do. Pero wala lang. Just wanna give this chance. And I don't know. So ngayon is August 23, Saturday. And it's a long weekend kasi walang pasok this coming Monday. So madaming tao ang nag-take ng short vacation for sure. And nagplan kami ni Mama na mag-take din ng short vacation. Pero around the metro lang naman. Kasi ayoko na rin lumayo dahil mapapagod lang din naman ako mag-drive. And yeah, right now dito pa ako sa car kasi kanina nung pagdating namin dito sa hotel, wala na daw valet parking and wala available na parking kasi nga daw punuan. Maraming guests yung mga nag-check-in. Pero swertihan lang kasi after ibaba ni Mama yung gamit para mag-check-in is nagkaroon naman daw ng space. So, ayun, nagkaroon na rin ako ng space here. Kaka-park ko lang din. Si Mama nasa lobby na nakapag-check-in na daw. And yeah, please stay until matapos tong vlog na to. I don't know kung ano mangyayari, but still, hello everyone! So guys, we are already here sa room. Hindi na ako nag-video kanina after kasi sobrang daming guests and punong-puno yung elevator. Ang haba din ng pila. But, I'm gonna give you guys a quick room tour and super spacious siya. Thank you, Seda Vertes North. Ayan guys, drain up ko na yung name ng hotel na pinagstayan natin ngayon. So, yeah, here's a quick room tour. Outlook yung room tour natin kasi may pumasok. Hinatid yung ating luggage. But yeah, as you enter this room, meron tayong big cabinet here with a 2 bathroom and also, syempre di mawala, slippers. Also, a big full-length mirror na ang way niya ay, hello, perfect for selfies. The bathroom. So, ang bathroom, yes, may countertop. And syempre, hindi mawawala blower, tissue, and then, kits, and towels. Okay guys, sorry about that. Naputol tayo kanina kasi may nag-doorbell na naman na yun na. So, continue tayo sa room tour natin. Dito na tayo sa bathroom. So, syempre, we have here towels and then toilet bowl. And ang maganda dito, separate yung toilet area nila and then yung shower room. So, dito sa shower room, it's already glass and merong shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. And also, a shower. So, on this side, medyo magulo na. Sorry. Ito na lang. We have here a big king size bed na good for 3 to 4 persons. A big lamps. Yes. And on this side is, we have a kettle, mugs, coffees, and water. And also, tignan natin kung may ref. Ayan. May ref siya guys para sa mga bibili nyo sa labas. And a big TV. And then a working table. And say hello, Ma! Hi! Tignan natin yung view guys. Medyo late na kami nakapag-check-in ngayon kasi madami pang ginawa sa house kanina before umalis. But, ang view natin today ay, oh my! Ang linis In fairness nililinis niyo yung window nyo here. But we have here a rooftop bar and also a swimming pool na syempre dahil a long weekend, ang daming nag-swimming na guests. And also landmark Trinoma. Hello, my usual tambayan way back. So ayun, yun lang naman guys. And that's it for our room tour. Hi guys! Happy Sunday! Blessed Sunday! I wasn't able to continue my vlogging na yesterday kasi empty naman. Sorry na. Pero ang ganap lang naman namin pagtapos namin mag-check-in, nag-rest lang kami saglit and then nagpunta kami ng Vertes North to have dinner. Dapat sa Yabo kami pero nagyabo na ako the other day. So, nag-Army Navy na lang kami. Yun ang ending namin. And then nag-stroll lang kami around Bertis North, kung ano yung mga changes and stuff, and that's it. And then today is Sunday, tapos na rin kami mag-church. Bumili lang kami ni mama ng mga things sa Anko. And sobrang cute ng stuffs there. I don't know if I'm gonna do some alcohol, pero maybe I'll show you guys some things later. And ayun, sa Trinoma yun. And it brings lots of memories kasi I used to make tambay there before during my high school days and my first days of my college days with my friends. Shout out to Mikey and Laika na lagi kong kasama. And now in Trinoma, syempre, yun ang mga meet-up place ng mga famous kuno. Pero nothing against them. Talagang tambayan talaga yon, lalo na yung garden nila. Pero ngayon nire-renovate siya and ang dami nang nagbago. And it brings lots of memories. Pero ngayon, pupunta ulit kami ni mama ng Bertis North para mag-dinner and I'm going to bring you guys with me. Dinner time here at Catherine's Cafe, Bertis North. By the way guys, dito sa Catherine's Cafe, meron silang free cake slice already. So, with a minimum purchase of 1,500. Yeah, we have pumpkin soup and the classic Caesar salad. Addition to the order, chicken popcorn. Lastly, smoked salmon. Bon appetit!
時間は有限、短いウィーケン、ありきたりなシーケンスで時にバッドウェイ、はたまた裏切りの恋がたき、真っ逆さま急展開のくじまったぎ、地味なやつが実はってことも魂もバレてっちゃもっともっこもない、遅れてくるヒーローの登場で根性を述べるまでがルーティン、誰もが望む決まりの展開じゃなくても人生が続く限り、ふざけた脚本家が書く本はまだまだだらだらと先は長い。
Itong vlog na to hindi na naging maayos. Dumami na lang tayo sa susunod. Okay, taste test. M Bakery brownies. Ano nga ito, mga pistachio? Kinapong ko na eh. Taste test. Pistachio brownie. Diba? It's so giving. Tapos guys. Ang ginawa na lang talaga ngayong long weekend ay kumain at gumala. Perfect siya, perfect pair. Alcohol, it's time for alcohol. We bought Reed diffuser for only magkano to? 500 pesos. Good for 1 year na siguro to. Sobrang laki niya guys. And bango. 800 pala. 800. And for my babaws, it's a Caesar wand. Best Buy. Feeling ko yung mga maliliit sa labas, mag-aano to. Oh, ano ko naman dito. Towels and Okay, bye. Okay na yan. Bye, guys.
私もバレててもっとも子もない遅れてくるヒーローの登場で根性を述べるまでがルーティン誰もが望む決まりの展開じゃなくても人生が続く限りふざけた脚本家が書く本はまだまだだらだらと先は長いルー呼びすぎる人